Mailbox Friday. See what we got. First up, some new Vanquish tires. Got the Falcons. Nice. Next, the other pair. Look at that. Next, spur gear for VFD. Next, SSD bumper so I can be cool like Bullman. Next, a diff cover oil filled plug since my Ultras didn't have any. Next, then I got a couple of sets of wheel nuts because again my Ultras didn't have any. Spare set and some VFD standoffs so that I can turn my Ultra into a Pro trans. So that and a broken candy cane. Look at that. Mailbox Monday or Friday. Look at that. Get you some of that.